What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Mayur Pawar and you're watching The Bearded Geek. Well, today we're going to talk about another handy tool which is going to help you guys to watch movies virtually with your friends. Well, especially in the times like now when the country is, locked down for more than 44 days, this is a free and quite a bit of fun which you can have with your friends virtually. Well, I came across this tool recently, and I really found it interesting. It's basically similar to the one which I introduced in one of my previous videos named Vemos. If you have not watched that particular video, I'm gonna share that link in somewhere in the corners so you can figure it out. Anyway, coming back to Discussion Bar, it's a Chrome extension for YouTube, Netflix, and Disney Plus that allows users and creators to watch, chat, and sync for a party like atmosphere. So basically, this tool, in short, allows you to create a virtual party through which you can watch movies and your favorite shows on these particular platforms. Let's have a quick look. How can you go ahead and install the tool, and how does this function? So the moment you come on, as I said, it's a Google Chrome extension. The moment you land up on Chrome Web Store, and you just have to click on the Add to Chrome button over here and allow it. As you see, it is getting installed. The moment it is installed, there is a pop-up. Okay, it says discussion bar has been added to Chrome. Use this extension by clicking on this icon. Manage your extensions. Okay, fine. So let's go on YouTube, because right now we have just installed this extension, so it will not directly work. You will have to go ahead and see, as I said, you'll have to go ahead and reload this particular page. So after we come here, alright, after we come over here on the page, you see there is a pop-up which is already there, and just browse to the video which you want to see. For example, any of the friends video you want to see, you could, but before that you will have to actually go ahead and sign in. I'm sorry for that. You'll have to go ahead and sign in into the account. So the moment you click on sign in with Google, it's gonna give you a pop-up like this, and I'm just gonna go ahead and sign in. So once that is done, yeah, the account is getting loaded. So this is how basically the interface looks for discussion bar. Let's have a look at the features. This is dock to right. It's already on right. This one should be collapse. So you can just minimize and maximize this thing. You can add friends from this particular column here, or you can connect your social medias, or you can share this particular link with your friends directly. As you see, watch videos together and chat with other users. Invite friends here to enhance your experience. The other feature which we have here is messages. Currently, I don't think I have any messages. No, I don't. There is watch party. So this is a cool feature. Actually, you can go ahead and create a watch party here. You can select the date, and you can select, whether the friends, the people who are going to watch, are they going to be invite only, are they going to be friends only, or anyone can join your party. It's simple as that, and just hit on the create one. After that is done, you will just need to go ahead and share that link with your pals. Another feature we have over here, yeah, so this is something which you don't get in Vemos. This is a chat room. Basically, there are chat rooms which are created by people already. So this way you always have someone or the other to go ahead and chat your personal video, like the, I'm sorry, not your personal, but then the movies or the television shows, whichever you like. You can go ahead and join any of this particular chat rooms. There is something related to Minecraft, or probably if you do not find anything of your interest, you might as well go ahead and create a chat room from here. And you can, like, the people who would be interested in the topics which you would create, the people will start joining and you can watch those videos with them together and have fun. And the last one which we have here is the notification. So it's just a welcome notification that I've received from their end. Well, so I guess we have installed all, I mean, we have run through all of them. There are few settings over here. So, okay, in the settings mode, you have the privacy mode as well. Pop-up messages. So I just want to go ahead and maybe probably switch this off. But this is okay, it got switched off because I don't want my experience to, get away when I'm watching a movie. Post sent alert. All right, so that's gonna alert you every time you send a post or you receive a particular alert. There's a volume option also over here, that's pretty cool. And if you do not like this discussion bar at all, there is also an option for deleting the account. So this was my video, guys, about how can you go ahead and watch movies virtually with your friends. Oh my god, I don't know when I'm gonna learn that. But yeah, so this was my video. If you like this particular video, please hit the like button, and you might as well consider subscribing to my channel, guys. I keep on making such kind of videos, which are the digital productivity hack videos. Well, that was about it from my end for today. I'll be back with another hack. Till then, keep geeking. Thank you for watching, guys.